Security is the top priority when it comes to homes. For those who are about to transform their home into a smart home, or if you already have, adding wireless doorbells could be a great addition to your home security system. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell 3. One huge improvement from the Ring Video Doorbell 2 to 3 is that it works on a 5 GHz network. What does this mean? We received notifications a lot faster than when we hooked up the video doorbell to the 2.4 GHz network. We could also set up adjustable motion zones in areas just 5 to 15 feet in front of our apartment. This spared us the headache of false notifications whenever our Ring Video Doorbell 3 detected motion in areas we didn't want to focus on, like the busy Brooklyn sidewalk and street in front of our building. Number 2. Avantec D3B Wireless Doorbell. Expand your existing Avantec D3B doorbell system with up to 2 transmitters and multiple receivers for your specific usage scenario in seconds thanks to the simple pairing method. The huge selection of 52 tunes ensures you will be able to find something you like. In addition, the built-in 40mm stereo speaker delivers clear and well-balanced sound of up to 115 decibels, ideal for helping even senior citizens notice when someone rings the bell. Number 3. Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell. Make your home a smart home with Arlo's wired Ring doorbell with camera. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with 180-degree view. Get a clearer picture with detailed HD with HDR video, ensuring you can see even in low light or bright conditions. Connects directly to Wi-Fi without the clutter of extra gear, which makes one of the perfect new home essential items. The Arlo Essential Doorbell Wired is weather resistant and delivers fast and easy installation to get the perfect camera view, year-round. Know who's there, even in the dark with night vision. Never miss a moment with the smart door sensor to see what triggered a motion event before it happened. The video doorbell captures video prior to every motion-triggered video recording so you don't miss out. Number 4. Sadotech Wireless Doorbells. The Sadotech Wireless Doorbell Model C, White, is an all-in-one kit for the home, apartment, office, or can even be used as a classroom doorbell for teachers. The doorbell is battery-powered and has a 1,000-foot operating range and boasts a 3-year lifespan with an easy-to-replace, long-lasting battery included. Our doorbell ringer features simple installation and can be set up in less than 2 minutes. Just attach the adhesive, or screws, place in your desired location, and plug in doorbell receiver and you're ready to ring and chime. Personalize your doorbells with 35 chimes and 17 sounds, 4 adjustable volume levels, and even has a low-level setting for quiet areas. Add on to your Bluetooth doorbell with additional receivers, motion detectors, or pet alarms. Build your own simple, expandable alert system. Keep it simple with the Sadotech Wireless Doorbell for your home, office, or apartment doorbell. Number 5. Bo Ying Wireless Doorbell. For a highly rated, affordable wireless doorbell, one of your best options is the Bo Ying Waterproof Door Chime Kit. This product is easy to set up and has a wide variety of options that make it a great wireless doorbell for any home. You don't need any electric wiring. Extremely handy and easy to install. Just plug the receiver into an electrical outlet and the transmitter use a battery, included, 0.2-way installation. Screws and double-sided adhesive tapes included for easy be fixed. Bo Ying Portable Wireless Doorbell Kit has upgraded the design of the receiver station.